Hi guys, so I woke up this morning feeling energetic and I was thinking what can I possibly do to make my day worthwhile. So I think of going out to swim and I think it's a nice idea. So guys, come with me as spend my Saturday morning with me. Trust me, you will enjoy it. Okay? Hi. So guys, this is me admiring myself in the mirror before I go to the swim session to go and show you guys the stuff that I'm made of. So guys, this is me at the swimming pool session and at the point, I don't know, it's like I don't even know how I was feeling, but I just said let me relax first and show you guys what the swimming pool looked like. And guys, this swimming pool looks so nice and beautiful. At the point, my village people now called me on phone all the way from Europe, you know. And do you know that these my village people, they are eating directly from the pot. They are eating straight from the pot. Village people, they did not allow me to go and enjoy myself. They were just there. Look at them. Look at them. So I was there on video call with my sister and her family. Then after, then after which I decided to go and show myself. You see what this woman is doing. And I thought I was going to show this thing to everybody. She thought I was joking. And fortunately for her, she will see that. Then after the video call, the next thing I did was they don't want to allow me to go and swim. See my village people on call with me this morning. Are you seeing my village people on call? Guys, I have to make a video of the swimming pool, guys. This place is so cute and dope. So I decided to show you guys where your baby girl is going to exercise her, talent this morning. So guys, what do you think about this place? I hope you love it. I love good things, and whenever I see good thing, anything good, I will not hesitate to show you guys so you can enjoy your eyes, can exercise your eyes, now. So after showing you guys what the swimming pool look like, then this is me in my full outfit about to exhibit what I know how to do it
so that I don't overdo things, so that the water will not carry me go where I don't know. You know I see the be now. So this is me doing my selfie in the swimming pool, and I was enjoying the whole scenario. Oh my god, this is so fun, guys. I wish you guys were here so that you can catch this fun with me. Oh my goodness. So after swimming, I have to leave the swimming pool because at the point I was feeling cold. The swimming pool was cold. So I was feeling cold. I have to come out before cold we finish Daughter of Zion. Then after the swimming pool, I have to go back to the room. This is me walking back to the room. Oh Lord. And see how I am looking so soft and fresh as usual. Now, as today bread now. Nothing do me. As you guys know, happy girls are always the prettiest. So that's why you always see me put on the smile and always being happy. No matter the circumstance and no matter anything, I am always happy, trying to do what makes me happy and minding my business, which is the most important thing. And before then, I need to ask you guys, have you had your breakfast yet? What do you even intend to have as your breakfast? Or have you done your morning exercise today? If you have not done your exercise today, I urge you to go and do it, so that you always look fit, guys.
Doors closing. Second floor.
So that is it for today. Finish. So guys, this is me in the room trying to see what I can do to help myself because I was almost feeling cold. So I have to boil hot water to take a hot tea, and almost the tea won't burn my mouth. Chinekele, what is this? What is this? So I have to sip a little and said, let me drop it, I beg, and go and shower. So after shower, I will now come and do justice to it. You know, I love doing justice to things. So this is me out from the shower, freshly and feeling so fresh. So after coming out from the shower, I have to go and take my hot tea and feel warm afterwards. Then after taking my tea, I have to dress up because child of God have to step out and go home and do what she needs to do for the day. So this is me looking all ravishing and supple, always admiring myself and minding my business, which is the most important thing. So I am all set and ready to disembark from this environment with my bag and baggages. So this is me in the car going home, and as usual, going to rest. I so much enjoyed my stay in this place. I'm not gonna lie you. So guys, is a bye bye from me to you right now. And guys, I really need to thank you so much for always hanging in there for me. You know you are loved by me. Bye.